All right, we're here at Dirt King. I've got Nick Gardner going to show me my truck for the first time.
Let's
he hasn't
take a
shown
look
me any
at it.
pictures yet, so I'm pretty excited.
Yeah, you requested no sneak peek, so this will be a first shot.
And you did 39 BFGs, and you're like, let's go ahead and do 40s and make them work.
Got to one up everyone.
So they work.
they do.
Turn.
Yeah, full
Everyone was
lock.
concerned
Yeah,
about
full
that.
lock, full bump. It was more work than we anticipated, but for you, I'm willing to do it.
And then now you can do it to others.
I know. Yep. Now everybody's going to want 40s. Look what you started.
All right, let's go
take a look.
Zigzagging around.
Yeah. Taking the scenic route.
Woo. Oh, this is the one with the 39s
This
on
is the 39s, yeah.
This thing's clean.
It is, yeah.
And he went straight to Baja with this truck.
He literally picked it up from us and went and spectated down at the 500 and put like 1,000 off-road miles on it in 3 days.
Dude, this thing's clean.
Yeah.
I like this color.
Yeah.
I originally wanted a gray one.
Yeah.
But I couldn't find it.
I love this color. I think it looks good.
Especially
but the gray does look good.
Yep.
And then this one's got 39s too. This is Ross Savage's old truck.
Oh, this is the one
from Huntington Beach.
Huntington Beach.
Yeah.
That looks really nice.
Yeah, so we're doing front fenders, front bumper. We did a little tire carrier in the back to mount his 39-inch spare at an angle there, and then did a Pro Eagle underneath it, save him a little bit of space.
Yeah. Yeah, because this thing had projects on it before, right?
It did, yeah. It had 39-inch projects, but I don't think it ever went to the dirt. Yeah, it had never been used before. So yeah, we're going to do Fiberworks fenders, different style on the front bumper, keeping the push bar.
This one looks clean going down the road.
It does.
I had.
It's a nice truck. They did a really good job building. I'm not sure exactly who built it, but the fabrication work is really nice. They did some nice sheet metal inner fenders for the back.
That extra tank.
They did the transfer tank on it, so it's got like a 20-something gallon transfer tank in the back that transfers to the primary tank. They did a really nice job on everything.
Yeah, going
the
down the
fabric
road,
is really
this
clean.
thing looks
It does. It looks
mean.
good. It looks really good.
It looks really good.
Yeah, they did a nice job on it.
Holy. Wow.
What do you think?
Wow.
You look big, huh? It has a completely different look to it.
Dude, those tires are huge.
Yeah, they are. It looks so good, though.
And you know what? I like how the fenders are opened up.
Yeah. The proportions, I think, look a lot better now.
Yeah.
So, yeah, we opened up the front and rear fenders.
So how much work was it to really make these
Easily
fit?
Twice as much as we thought. You know, going from the 39-inch BFG, knowing how much we had to trim, and then going to the 40-inch Toyo, I knew it was going to be a lot, but then putting the tires next to each other, these Toyos are definitely more true to size. So it was a lot more work than we anticipated, but we were able to clearance the firewall here. So the GMC, we only cut from like here down, whereas yours, you can see how far we had to cut it up and then how far back we had to go as well. We had to roll over the pinch weld in the front, so all the way up and around the front here. We rolled over all the pinch weld just for extra clearance up here as well. We had to relocate the rock lights. But it was totally worth it.
No, it definitely, man, that thing looks huge.
Yeah, it
like
does.
Ground clearance wise on the front.
It's a big difference.
That's nuts.
Yeah.
And then over on this side, same amount.
Yeah, so this side was
firewall.
actually more. This side has less clearance than the other side. So this side we did the pinch weld as well. This side we had to do the firewall a little bit more.
Okay.
We had to do a smaller washer fluid reservoir on there. And we were able to integrate the sensor and the motor into that, so that still functions. But yeah, I was hitting a lot of stuff on this side.
So, you do it again?
Absolutely.
Yeah?
Absolutely, yeah.
What's the next tire you want to put underneath this?
40-inch BFG race tire.
So like the project?
Yeah, the Evo 2s, yeah.
Okay, so yeah. But you want to fully bump it and clearance it.
Yeah, that's the only way to do it.
Yeah.
Guys are using these trucks now, and we don't want to have any issues once they get out into the dirt. We want to make sure that everything's 100%.
Wow. Did you get on the camera the gray of the wheel? So I know some people, because they're my son and everyone else was like, you bought new wheels. I'm like,
you
no,
can't really see the color too until it's in the sun. Like in the sun, it looks really good.
So the test fit was on another set of wheels, and Now this is an Evo gray with a satin black ring. I liked the raw, but when it came
I did
down
too. It
to
just doesn't hold up though.
Yeah.
They tarnish too easily. They look good.
They look
the
beautiful
machine,
for the first
the machine
like 6
looks
months.
great, but it's so hard to maintain.
Yeah.
They have to have some type of protective coating on. I think this will be fine.
Yeah.
I mean, especially you're using your truck so much too. It's just,
man,
it tarnishes so easy.
it's crazy how much ground clearance
Yeah.
I gained.
Yeah, even at the cross member and even the lower control arm. At the lower control arm, you'll have a lot more clearance.
So just to clarify, we are sitting at the exact same ride height as the truck was before.
Yeah, suspension is completely unchanged, but you can
Okay.
see how much more clearance you have at the cross member now.
Yeah.
Maybe skid plate will last you more than 2 or 3 months now.
Yeah, that was one of the reasons why I wanted to go up to a bigger tire.
Yeah.
A lot of people were asking me, why do you
keep
want
the
a
front
bigger
end.
tire?
Yeah.
But I wanted more ground clearance, not necessarily for rocks and whatnot, rock crawling, but just for, you know, bottoming out situation. And go ahead and explain here what you did.
Yeah, so this one here, we did a 1/4-inch overlay on the lower control arm pocket. So we pulled off the cam and all the hardware. We did a 1/4-inch overlay over here just for protection. I know that Gary at KDM already did it to the cross member when he redid the bumper. So this is just a little bit more protection because this is pretty thin from the factory. So it just helps reinforce it on the front side should you hit anything.
Should.
Yeah, you never know.
Should.
I don't think it's out of the question.
Yeah, it's happened a couple times.
Yeah.
And then, like, you know, people were asking me, they're like, well, the steering rack and stuff like that. But I mean, I haven't heard of anyone.
I haven't seen any failures on these trucks yet. I mean, not saying that it's not possible, but I mean, the rotating mass of these is obviously bigger. It's a bigger rolling diameter, but the weight is not much more than like a 37-inch Toyo.
Yeah, I think like 8 pounds, 9 pounds.
Yeah, it's not much. It's less than 10%.
Yeah.
So, I mean, it's not saying it's impossible, but I haven't seen any rack failures on these trucks yet. I mean, obviously, just check the hub bearings and, you know, regular maintenance, and I think you'll be fine.
And just clarify, too, because I did replace a rack on my truck, but that was self-inflicted.
Yep, yeah.
I hit
I mean, I think that would have happened with anything, yeah.
Yeah, that wasn't...
Yeah, I don't think it was any fault of the rack.
No.
Yeah.
No. I cracked the rack.
Yeah, and that impact has got to go somewhere. You hit something, that energy's got to go somewhere, so...
Do you think someone's going to make hubs for it at some point?
I don't know, maybe. I mean, these trucks are becoming more popular. The thing is when we first started building these, this body style came out in 2019. We started building them right away. Yeah. And people with brand new trucks, they only want to take it so far. Now that this body style is 5-6 years old, people are buying them and wanting to do more to them. And I mean, if there's a demand to it, I don't see why somebody wouldn't make a hub.
Yeah. I mean, it's no different than the previous, body style.
Nope.
It just takes time.
Yeah. Yep.
You know, demand, and when the demand starts building up.
Yeah, I mean, the advantage on the previous body style is that front hub worked from 1999 all the way up to 2018. So you have almost a 20-year spread that hub worked for. I mean, but yeah, these trucks are becoming much more popular. I think the price has gone down on enough where they're more obtainable for people that are wanting to build dedicated off-road vehicles. And I mean, it's a great platform. You get all the luxury.
The previous chassis, that rack was a lot more of a prone issue with those trucks.
It was.
Right?
So the electric racks on the 2014 to 2018s definitely had a lot more issues. A company like IzzyFab, he makes the hydro rack conversion for it. So he does the hydraulic rack on the 2014 to 2018 off like the 07 to 13.
But those are hydro assist, right?
Yeah.
They're not full. They're not. Or excuse me, they're a full. They're an E assist when this is a full E.
No, same thing. Like the 2014 to 18 didn't have a steering pump on it.
Really?
It was full electric. Yeah. So yeah, and then he does the hydro conversion.
But these ones are obviously a different rack.
Yeah, it's a different rack. These are a lot bigger than the 14 to 18 racks. Yeah.
So every year,
if you have one of these out of the vehicle, these are a lot more robust.
The
casing is larger. Yeah, it's huge. The casing is larger. Everything is larger on these.
Yeah.
So.
Damn, this thing looks good.
Yeah, it does.
Wow. Well, I'm pretty stoked, and really happy too that you guys went through the truck.
Yeah.
So while they had the truck, you guys went through the whole front end of the truck.
Yep.
Stripped it all down, repainted everything.
Yep.
Anything that needed to be serviced on it. One of the things that we did talk about was the CV shafts. They weren't showing any wear or anything like that. But the boots, you said, were starting to get a little...
Yeah, the boots were starting to dry rot. they have a life expectancy on them as anything that's rubber. So we replaced both CV axles in the front, stripped the frame, painted the frame and the inner wheel well, did leaf spring bushings on the front and rear leaf spring pivots. Those were blown out. Shackle bushings, we replaced those, put new U-bolts on it. So just, you know, service stuff. This truck gets used, so.
Yeah, and so the CV shafts, those are the ones that came out of the truck are gonna be my spare shafts now, and now I got 2 brand new shafts in there. And we're gonna go and see. I mean, those other ones had 20,000 miles on it. Did you check the mileage from when I first?
I didn't know. I'll have to look at the log on it.
It was like 20,000 miles on it.
Yeah.
And I don't really daily drive the truck. I mean, I do around town every once in a while, but it's not like it's always to.
Yeah, still, we built this truck 2 years ago.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
it was actually just, it's almost coming up. Because,
I think in January it'll be 3 years, right?
Yeah, you delivered it to me right after Thanksgiving.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
That's
Man,
right.
I'm stoked. Kelly, you ready to go and get it dirty?
Wasting no time.
We have a place in mind that we're going to go and get it dirty? Yes. Okay, well, thank you.
No problem. Thank you, guys. Always a pleasure working with you.
Well, I'm saying that now. I still got to go pay. Because none of this is for free, I tell you that much. But no, man, thank you very much for you and the guys, too.
Absolutely, yeah.
I mean, everyone that had a hand on it. So
yeah, it's always nice working on this thing and seeing you guys out using it and enjoying it. It's cool to see you and your family out there.
Yeah, it's just, I mean, you know, you do the same thing with your family.
Yeah.
You know, go out and have fun and let the kids grow up doing this stuff.
Yep.
So.
Absolutely.
Okay, well, I got to go and close out my tag. So we're going to close out the video. But I wanted to show you guys first, right when I got to see it. And this thing looks awesome. So hope you guys like it. If you guys have any questions, comment down below. Myself, maybe I'll have to ask Nick to chime in on some of this stuff too. But yeah, thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys soon on the next video.
Thanks, guys.